sing that shit.
Hey guys, I just wanted to give my honest review and a closer look at the BISSELL Little Green Pet Max Spot Cleaner Machine to hopefully help you feel more informed in making a buying decision. Also stick around to the end because I have a video of my husband using it to get coffee out of our beige carpets. We have 4 little kids and a dog, so we are constantly getting stains on our carpet, and this has been so convenient because it's so easy to use. And it's just a small compact thing as opposed to like a big carpet washer, which we used to have before we started using this. So I love just like how compact it is. And it has the cleaning solution tank right here. If you're getting a larger area, there's a separate fill line that shows you. And it also has a dirty water tank on this side as well. And you can even see just like how dirty that water is. But yeah, it also has 2 separate attachments to the hose. This is a bristle brush, and it also has like a rubber attachment as well that really helps to scrub up like a stain. And you have 2 separate modes right here, like a swirling kind of spray or just flat out, it just shoots right out of the jet to help really get the stain up. So I was really impressed. Like I said, we have beige carpets in our living room, so any stain shows up. So when my husband spilled dark coffee on our carpet, I wasn't even stressed because you can literally see it getting pulled up from the carpet. So watch here. But like I said, if you guys are on the market for a good spot cleaner, I would definitely look no further and give this one a try. It has really helped tremendously.